My name is Te Kanawa. I've had a Whai Rawa account for I think 3 years, and I am 30, how old am I? 34 years old. We've really only started saving since we've paid off our student loans. Whai Rawa wasn't really around, or I didn't have it when I was studying, and so both myself and Derek studied later in life. So I did my degree in teaching, and Derek's partway through an apprenticeship now, and he's done his certificate in engineering, and that was only when he turned 40, I think it was. Yeah, so we just want to show our kids that they can do it at any time, and we're trying to get better qualifications so that we can earn more money, so that, you know, we can better support ourselves and set ourselves up later in life. We're renting, we're currently saving. That's what my Whai Rawa will be towards the cost. Because I've started later, it might be towards costs of lawyers and things like that, but at least it will contribute to part of it. I think retirement at the moment is in our thoughts, but not the forefront. The forefront of it would be to get into our first home, and then retirement will be the next step, I guess. You forget how old you are, and it's you're just busy with kids and life, and so I think lately in the last couple of years we've had those conversations around securing our future and money.